Looking for a reliable phone mount that fits right into your vehicle's cup holder? This adjustable twist lock base offers a heavy-duty grip, ensuring your device stays put no matter how bumpy the road gets. Installation is simple, and with just one click, you can release your phone from the cradle effortlessly. Standing about 13 inches tall, this mount is designed with cushioned soft grips and a padded backing. These features protect your phone from scratches and prevent slipping, giving you peace of mind while driving. It's a practical solution for keeping your device safe and accessible. What sets this mount apart is its 360-degree rotation compatibility. You can easily adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle, which matters when you're relying on GPS to reach your destination safely. No more awkward positions or distractions, just clear, hands-free navigation. Compatibility is universal. Whether you have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, Note 9, Huawei P30 Pro, Xiaomi Mi 9, or any device with a 3.5-inch screen, this mount fits them all. It's built to accommodate a wide range of phones, making it a versatile choice for any driver. Customers in the U.S. praise its stability, especially for larger devices like iPads. One user shared that after driving over 2,000 miles, their iPad remained secure without any issues. That kind of reliability speaks volumes about the quality and design of this mount. Beyond the product itself, you get a full year of friendly customer service. Whether you have questions, concerns, or need support, help is just a call or message away. That kind of care adds real value to your purchase. If you're ready to drive safer and keep your phone within easy reach, this adjustable cup holder mount is worth a look. It combines secure locking, cushioned protection, and flexible viewing angles in one compact design. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your driving experience. With universal compatibility and proven stability, this mount makes hands-free navigation easy and stress-free.